Okay. Bought the flower house for our girls, and what a fun and challenging time we've had. Assembling it has become our daily activity for the last couple of weeks, and we are almost done. Smiley face. This model has been such an enjoyable build. As of now, I am not completely finished, having put around 20 hours into it. I'd say I have another 8 hours more to go. The pieces are all vibrantly pre-painted, with the exception of one large base piece. The glue and tweezers it comes with are perfect for the job. The cloth I had gotten for the couch was not large enough, but I improvised using another color cloth that also came with the kit for the seat. The attention to detail in this little study is just first class. I even recognized books that I have purchased in the past within this model. I am not experienced at all with building wooden kits, and I was still able to do this one perfectly with minimal struggle. I will certainly be buying more Robotime models in the near future. The greenhouse one is next. Smiley face. Worth the mammoth effort, very intricate, but the instructions are excellent. This took me a while to finish it because there were a lot to make. But it was really enjoyable. The instruction was well described, and it also came with tweezer, silicone glue and white glue, which was a huge plus to the kit. Also, I was able to find out which battery it was required for the lighting. The instruction did not indicate what type of battery it was required, but I was able to really look into the instruction photo and saw the battery on the instruction photo was CR20323 volts. I couldn't find this information on anywhere, so I thought it would be helpful for other buyers. This kit is by far the most detailed kit I have ever made. Highly recommend for anyone who likes creativity. FYI, the lighting requires two PCS CR20323 volts batteries. Kit appena arrivato, non vedono l'ora di cominciare. A prima vista, sembra non mancinella. Istruzioni in inglese, ma chiare ed efficaci lo stesso grazie a foto e immagini che spiegano benissimo cosa fare. Non è un giocattolo, il modellismo. E il modellismo non è per tutti. Persuade, non è adatto a bimbi piccoli, né a person con poco tempo e pazienza. Spedizione veloce è arrivata con un giorno di anticipo, confezione elegante, materiali di qualità. This is a fantastic set. Great fun to make, and everything is really clear and detailed. A couple of my pieces were slightly warped is all, but all up def a 5-star purchase. This was my first time building a miniature. My 10-year-old loves craft projects, and these rooms looked cute. They also looked complicated and time-consuming. Click link in description for more reviews.